Hello, welcome to Little Steps. My name is Tim. We're going to go through a fairly quick procedure. Windows 7 has removed the quick launch bar, the quick launch menu from the Windows 7 environment. Now you can put it back, and I would strongly urge you to do this simply because it allows you to get access to your programs quickly without cluttering up your desktop. You got these little icons over here on the left. Now you notice I've already done this, but I am going to walk through the procedure with you on how to do this. Okay, so in order to kind of retract what's going on here, you can move this around. As you notice here, I'm dragging it up and down. In order to drag it up and down, all you have to do is just take these little crossbars here and drag them up to where you're actually working on. Now this will not appear until after you go through this procedure. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing you need to do is open Windows Explorer. Now if you don't have your computer set up like me, you need to go to All Programs. In All Programs, you want to go down to Accessories. Under Accessories, you want to go down here and find Windows Explorer. Now in the Windows Explorer program, what you want to do is go down to your computer. Find your local hard drive. In this case, my local hard drive, my Windows 7 operating system, is on my partition E, which is where this operating system is working from. In your case, if you have Windows 7 factory installed on your computer, you would put it here on drive C. You would then right click in the right window pane. You would want to add a new folder, and from here you would type in capital Q, UICK, space, capital L, AUNCH, quick launch. Click enter. You're adding the file folder to your root directory, which is on your hard drive of C. The reason you do this is so that Windows knows where to find the information for the quick launch toolbar. Now, you've added this file folder. It's empty. There's nothing in it. Now what you want to do is you want to go back over here, minimize this window. On your main desktop, you can go down here. Oh, excuse me. That's for customizing other things. On your Start Menu taskbar, you want to right click. Okay. On the Start Menu taskbar, yours may be on the bottom of your screen. You want to go to Toolbars. You want to go down here to New Toolbar. Click on that. Then you're going to go to your C drive, and in the C drive you're going to find the folder that you just created called Quick Launch. Now it should be here somewhere. Quick Launch. Select the folder. Okay, now once you've done that, you can see down here on the bottom of my screen, it will be on your taskbar, and it may be down here on the bottom. You'll see a new item here that says Quick Launch. This area here is now your new Quick Launch bar. You notice I have two quick launches now. I have one up here that's not labeled. Now from here, what I can do is go to Small or Large Icons, and I can add different items from your desktop by simply dragging them down here and dropping them into this area here of the Quick Launch. Now, before we want to do that, I do want to cover this. I've created the Quick Launch, and it says Quick Launch. However, having the title there, I already know what it is. I don't need it. It says Show Text, Show Title. I can remove both of those check marks, and it'll disappear. Quick Launch is still here, and I can move it up. Now notice I've already got one Quick Launch here. Now I have 2 quick launches. Now, I can create a shortcut, and I can put that in my first quick launch, which wasn't there before. There's my recycle bin. And now I can also drop it into my second quick launch. Okay, you're only going to create the 1 quick launch bar, but I'm showing you as denoted here. This one's set up for small icons. This one is set up for large icons. Now, in order to make this smaller, you simply drag this lower one up here. And you can have duplicates if you want, but I prefer using just the small icons. It's literally this simple. Now, suppose I want to remove this toolbar. I can simply go in here to my toolbars, down here, and I can remove one of the quick launches. Okay? It's simply a matter of highlighting the quick launches that you want to use. Once you've added the folder, you have the quick launch. From there, you simply can take your icons, left click and drag them from your desktop, or you can go down here to your programs. In this case, I have programs here. I can go down here to my all programs, and I can, let's say I want Windows DVD Maker. I can create a shortcut, or I can copy. Let me copy this. Then I can paste it. Windows DVD Maker. It's now on my desktop. Simply drag it over here, drop it into my quick launch icon folder. It's right there available for you. I don't want this on my desktop because it clutters it up. Yes, I'm going to get rid of this. Yes, I'm going to remove that. Now my desktop is clean. I have all my quick launch icons here that I want. Windows DVD Maker. And again, just click on your folder, whatever programs that you want onto your quick launch bar, you simply click on that folder, and in this case Windows Writer, or in this case OpenOffice Org Writer. I can simply copy it by left clicking, paste it, and it comes down here. From there I just drag it onto my quick launch. If I want it up here in my start menu bar, I can drag it up here, and I can drop it there as well. Okay, dragging and dropping is a cool feature. It's been around since Windows 95. Get used to using it. It's a cool function. It's a cool feature. Been around for a while, and it makes your desktop a lot cleaner. Okay, I can clean up my desktop, keep all my quick launches right here where I can get at them, and it saves desktop space first and foremost. Also, note this: if you're working on a program, I have found one of the biggest hindrances when you're working in the Windows environment. They put everything on your desktop. Well, suddenly you're working on 1 or 2 projects and you have something that you know your icons on your desktop. Well, if you've got programs taking up the desk space, you've got 2 options. You can hit Alt and minimize all, which is an option, but then you've got to get back to where you were working at before. If you use your quick launch, the program that you're wanting to access, which is something you're doing all the time anyway, is right over here, and it never disappears underneath your programs that are active. This makes it very advantageous for economy. It'll make it quicker, it'll make it simpler, it will make it much more efficient for you. Thanks again for watching. Please tune into more of my videos and keep supporting my page. Thank you and have a good day.